Did you know that there are several ways that you can whiten your teeth at home without spending money on expensive products? Most commercial products use hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide as their main ingredient, which is fine for many people, but some people are sensitive to peroxide and need other alternatives. If you do wish to use peroxide, you can mix a small amount of baking soda with it to create a paste, or just dip your brush in some peroxide and then in baking soda. Brush your teeth with the mixture for 2 or 3 minutes to bleach the stains. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. But if peroxide bothers your teeth and gums, it isn't your only alternative. Here are some more ways that you can whiten your teeth with other natural ingredients. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes before spitting it out. This will help remove bacteria and toxins from your mouth, which can help remove stains and improve your oral health. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and swish it in your mouth for a few minutes before rinsing. This can help remove stains and kill bacteria. Crush a few strawberries into a paste and apply the mixture to your teeth for 2 or 3 minutes before rinsing. Strawberries contain malic acid, which can help whiten teeth, and they taste great. Activated charcoal can help absorb stains and toxins from the teeth. Brush your teeth with activated charcoal powder for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. The peels of lemons or oranges contain a substance called D-limonene, which can help remove the surface stains on teeth. Rub the inside of the peel on your teeth for a few minutes and then rinse thoroughly with water. You can eat crunchy fruits and vegetables such as apples, carrots, or celery. This can help scrub away the surface stains on your teeth as you chew them. And what a healthy snack! And finally, you can see our video about how to make your own economical white strips using natural ingredients. It's important to be gentle when using these methods and not overdo it, as some can be abrasive to the teeth or cause sensitivity if used too frequently or too aggressively. Each one of us is different, so go ahead and try some different ways and let us know in the comments how they work for you. So with a little effort and a bit of patience, your smile will shine. But that's not the only tip that we have for you, so be sure to subscribe to our channel to see more. We literally have tips to help you from head to toe to feel good naturally.